Hi friends, welcome to Info. I'm your friend Shruti. So whenever you use any kind of cosmetic product, whether it is face wash, face cream or any face gel, you may get noticed, if you ever get noticed, that the chemical ingredient, whatever they are using, that may have a lots of chemical, that may have a lots of side effects. Sometimes they use preservative that may harm your skin at a level that it may cause also some kind of skin cancer. So whenever you're using any product, make sure that you go through the ingredient and choose wisely, so that also give you a beneficial effect and not give you any side effect. So today I'm going to share a very exciting product that is from Roop Mantra. So they have a wide range of Ayurvedic face washes. They are using different kind of ingredients for every skin type. The best part about Roop Mantra face wash is that they are having Ayurvedic, because they are using the natural ingredients. They will never cause your skin damage because the ingredients are natural and moreover organic. But also because whenever you're using any kind of product to make it for longer use, you always add some kind of preservative. So Roop Mantra Ayurvedic also having some kind of preservative, but it has been seen that they are more or less safer on your skin. So the Roop Mantra face washes are more or less more Ayurvedic. It will give you a beneficial effect. It will remove all your dirt and you can have a skin with it very soothing. You can use it very wisely because the pack is quite larger and you can use it for a longer period of time. They are giving variety of ingredients, whatever it suits your skin you can use in that. So without wasting any more time, let's start the review. So today in this video, I am going to tell you about Roop Mantra face wash. What are the herbal extract of this face wash? Why it is effective on your skin? What are the benefit of these face washes? What are the different kind of variant it's available in? Also how to use it, or what are the packages and size and price of these packaging. If you want to buy this kind of face wash, you can also buy it from the link in description below. And you can subscribe to Info Hub for more such videos. So Roop Mantra face washes have different kind of variants and they are having different ingredients also. So this is a cucumber face wash, which is saying that it's a Ayurvedic medicinal face wash. So let me tell you why it is effective on your skin. Roop Mantra cucumber face wash acts gently on your skin without affecting your skin texture. It's effectively benefit in cleaning off the oil and debris, removing the makeup, dead cells and other environmental pollutants. Thereby, it is easily rinsed off your skin by the debris. It cleans the skin naturally. It does not produce any skin effect. And the face wash possesses antioxidant, antimicrobial and antiseptic properties that delivers, and they also complete removal of oil and debris, dead cells and other environmental pollution. So it's effectively in cleaning off of cloggings and thus refresh the skin. Roop Mantra cucumber face wash is a complete skin care range. So you can use it for both men and women. So then we have this amazing Neem face wash. In the Ayurveda, the Neem earned a special place as a medicinal herb. The wonder leaf has antibacterial and antifungal properties. This is an excellent skincare medicinal herb that's a part of traditional remedies that date back 5,000 years ago. So it fights your skin with bacteria, fungus, dirt and a germ effectively and helps in enhancing the skin health. On the other hand, we have this aloe vera face wash. In Ayurveda, aloe vera is found to have an immense beneficial effect on health and skin. The quantity is enhancer of skin and will give you a complete nourishment to the skin by increasing the skin glow, providing early skin signs of aging, also making skin smoother and softer. It also moisturizes the skin, fight against acne and help in clearing the blemish. Besides, it gives better protection from sunburn and also excellent soothing effect. So this summer you can use this aloe vera gel if you are going in the sun maximum. So then we also have this mixed fruit face wash. This is having a very refreshing smell and it makes your skin very fresh. And last but not the least, we are also having lime and mint face wash. This is a lemon and mint face wash. So it's basically remove your dryness and roughness and control your skin cracking. So what are the benefit of these face washes? They provide you deep cleaning, hydrate your skin, enhance your skin glow, provide smoother skin, control the appearance of pimples, remove blemish and excess skin oil. Also, it's help you to retain moisture level on your skin. It eliminates skin infection, reduce wrinkles, control acne and reduce burning sensation and provide a cooling effect. So how to use it, that I'm going to tell you. You can use it by, you can take the small quantity of face wash in your palm, mix it with little water, massage on your face gently and a neck in the circular motion. You can rinse the face thoroughly with water. You can use it twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. The packs and sizes available are to 20 ml, which is costing rupees 80. It's also having a 50 ml of pack, which is costing 40 rupees. This pack, which is of 115 ml, will cost you rupees 83. So it's more or less pocket friendly, health friendly and your skin friendly. So this was all about Roop Mantra face washes. If you're using any other kind of face wash, you can share your review to the comment section below. Also, if you like the video, then press the like button and share this video for all those who are searching any kind of face washes, and do subscribe Info Hub for more such videos. Thank you.